I decided to do my media history project on TikTok. So, to go over TikTok in general, it's a social media app and it allows you to post up to 1 minute video clips. These clips are all random. TikTok is filled with all kinds of content. There is popular dance trends, lip syncing, random videos, and meme content. There's something on there for everyone. TikTok is also a place where people can be creative and different. There's not like rules or anything to what you can create on there. TikTok's homepage is called the For You page and it caters to your own specific interests. So, for say, if you liked dance videos and you were liking the dance trends, it would show you dance trends in return. Now I'll go over the origins of TikTok. So originally, there was this app called Musical.ly that started in 2014. It started right after Vine went away, which was another popular video creating app. It was just 6 seconds of video, and there was no like pre-recorded sounds or anything you could use. Musical.ly was designed as a lip syncing platform, so it did have a lot of pre-recorded sounds, and then people would use them to lip sync and like kind of move the camera around with them. In 2016, a Chinese company called ByteDance launched the app Douyin, which is very similar to TikTok. They had so much success with this app that they decided to buy Musical.ly in 2017. And then after they bought Musical.ly in 2017, they transformed it into TikTok and launched it in 2018. TikTok is a perfect combination, I think, of Musical.ly, which is just lip syncing, and then Vine, which is funny videos. TikTok, there's so much you can do on it because it gives you the option to use sounds and then also to upload your own sounds. And it's anywhere from like 5 seconds to 60 seconds. So, because of its popularity and because it's a Chinese controlled app, this creates a lot of security threats that the US government views on TikTok. So basically, this is just kind of an overview of some of the things the US has done to try to prevent these security threats. So on November 1st in 2019, a national security review of ByteDance takeover was created. And then this was just kind of to keep an eye on TikTok and to keep an eye on what content was being created. The US also believes that TikTok gives the government in Beijing, China, access to data on millions of Americans that use TikTok. And then because of this, it can also censor what is on TikTok. So if something goes against Chinese government, they can censor it. And then this also plays bad for the US because normally they're in control of propaganda. So if something goes against US ideals, they'll censor it, but they can't with this Chinese app. Not only is there this security threat, there's also like worries of competition in the aspect of TikTok because the Chinese company is doing so well in America. The US wants to keep what's popular in America, especially on social media, as American companies just so they can control and kind of monitor what's going on in the app. And then just recently, on August 6th in 2020, President Trump prevented any new transactions with ByteDance just in fear of American information being leaked to communist China. So I know they wanted to try to ban TikTok, but they couldn't really do that, so they're just trying to prevent any new relations with ByteDance. So now we're gonna look at how TikTok makes money. So basically, TikTok makes money through advertisements. This started in June of 2020. Basically, TikTok launched a TikTok for Business, and it allowed for brands to run their own ads within the app. There are three type of advertisements in TikTok. The first one is in-feed ads. So basically, when scrolling through the For You page, you scroll down to go to a new video, and this ad would just pop up in between scrolling. As you can see in the picture I uploaded, there is like an arrow that points to how an ad would look like. A lot of times if it's an ad for like clothes, you can click on it and it'll take you to a link to a different website so you can look at the clothes or like a game for your phone or something like that. The next kind of advertisements are pretty similar. It's a brand takeover. The only thing is that this greets you right when the app is open. So instead of seeing just a normal video on the top of your feed, you'd see an advertisement. It's the same like layout and everything, and then if you don't want it, you just keep scrolling, and if it interests you, you can click on it and it'll take you to a different link. The last kind of advertisement is branded hashtag challenges. So basically, brands pay to have their own hashtag and challenge that shows up in people's feed. Um, this can also be done by like a famous TikTok creator getting an advertisement, and say the advertisement was for Walmart. They would use hashtag Walmart, hashtag ad, and then people could click on that and see like all of the different advertisements for that, all the different things Walmart would have to offer. And then it also like still looks the same where you can like click on stuff. The hashtags will take you to like different links and everything. So TikTok didn't always make money through advertisements. It actually just started this past June. But before this, there was this thing called in-app coins that users could purchase in the app, and then basically the coins would be used to buy virtual gifts that they could give to creators on TikTok or just like friends or people they liked. And then the creators would exchange the gifts for money, and TikTok would take a cut of this money to make for profit. So now we're going to talk about the market analysis of TikTok. So in regards of TikTok's current position in social media, TikTok is kind of referred to as like YouTube on steroids. It's forms of genre of quick hit entertainment, like a prank or a dare or a teenager dancing looking pretty. TikTok is kind of very different from every other app on the market. As mentioned before, it's very comparable to Vine, which is something that Gen Z and like younger generations really connected to. I think it's just a way for people to be like silly and not have to dress up a certain way or be a certain way, like kind of on other apps like Facebook you have to be professional, and Instagram there's like all this pressure with models and everything. But TikTok is just kind of somewhere that kids can have fun on. Another aspect that makes TikTok so popular is just the uncertainty and chaos of TikTok. There's a quote I have here that says, "As one swipes up, it is difficult to anticipate what will appear, and several swipes can bring up an astounding variety of content that can be described as sincere, ironic, cringy, wholesome, offensive, make-believe, authentic, ridiculous, confusing, and everything in between." Basically, this just reinforces that TikTok is kind of an app for everyone. There's something on it that everyone can relate to, and the TikTok For You page basically curates what you like to what they're going to show you. And that takes me to my next point of why I think TikTok is so popular, is that the TikTok algorithm is driven. TikTok is unique in that it focuses on the algorithm-specific content. This makes it easy for someone with like no followers to appear on other people's pages. The TikTok algorithm boosts videos of your interest, random content, and other videos that are gaining popularity. This means that you do not have to be like famous or have a bunch of followers to blow up on TikTok. You can have one video that attracts a lot of attention without having like any followers at all. In this sense, there's really no pressure to TikTok. People can kind of just upload what they want. They can be creative, they can be funny, and you don't have to be famous or have a following to post. And it's not focused on numbers or anything. It's literally just focused on the content, and that's why I think it's so popular, because everyone's trying to make the best content on there, that it's just funny, fun, entertaining, and just a place where everyone can find something that they like. And then lastly, this page is just the sources I use. I'm also going to include a Word document of the sources in APA style.